I know that I talk a lot about eating a clean, whole foods, low-fat, plant-based diet, but just as important as it is to keep your diet clean and eat a lot of fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans, it's also important to get in those healthy fats so that you have proper hormone function and you can promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. Things like, your nails being damaged, your hair falling out or being very dry or brittle, and your skin being excessively dry or excessively wet are signs of something's not right with your diet. So I think these are awesome, diverse, delicious, and fantastic whole foods to incorporate in your diet for healthy skin. So first and foremost, my favorite one is avocados. These are fresh foods. It's got a very high water content, fiber content. It's going to be a lot easier to digest than, say, nuts or seeds. Now these two have a fantastic omega-3, omega-6 ratio. Whatever that means, it's preferred to have one that is a lot more balanced than the standard American diet. And those are your flax seeds, which I ground up myself, and chia seeds, which I either soak or ground up. I say that these two are the next best thing to avocados because they are inexpensive, they have the profile that you're looking for healthy fats, and they have a very neutral taste. You can throw these in smoothies, oatmeals, you can throw chia seeds in your water and it sort of like puffs up and it makes the water more exciting to drink, I guess. Either way, those are my go-tos. The next one that I really enjoy, the two seeds that I tend to put on my salads and oatmeals because they resemble nuts, but they're not nuts, are pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. These two are also relatively inexpensive. Sunflower is probably cheaper than pumpkin. I get them raw, and if I choose to, sometimes I toast them, sometimes not. I make a lot of oatmeal. I put this on top. Sometimes I'll make salad dressings. I'll put a tablespoon or two in my salad dressing. And these are fantastic options if you don't want to eat nuts or if you can't eat nuts. The last one, which is slightly more expensive, are hemp seeds. They're very delicate. They also have a fantastic omega-3, omega-6 ratio profile. And they go really well in smoothies and salads, but they're slightly more expensive. I think these are awesome every once in a while just to switch up the diversity of what I'm eating. But as a staple, it's not so much. More so the other 5 healthy fats. The last thing I want to leave you guys with is basically how much of these should you be eating and approximately what should you be looking for. As a woman, I would recommend around 20% of your daily calories coming from these healthy fats. That looks like approximately, anywhere from 1 to 3 tablespoons of nuts or seeds or of any kind on your meals, or about 1/4 to half of an avocado. If you're not having, sensitive hormone levels, or if you're not a woman, I would say anywhere between 10 to 20%. You're still going to heal your eczema. You're still going to have all the healthy benefits without any flare-ups or problems. That's just from Dr. McDougall's recommendations, who has been healing people from all sorts of chronic and autoimmune diseases for the last 40 years. So I place my bets on those recommendations. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it has helped you. I hope you incorporate more of these healthy fats. Try to move away from the oils, the butters, the greasy food. Try to eat more whole plant foods in the form of seeds and avocados, and get your healthy fats from those instead. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Eat some goddamn fruits and vegetables. Some real goddamn fruits and vegetables.